We're at 1600 Greenbriar Parkway, Unit D, entering into our front door here. Directly in front of us, we have our living room, and then our dining room is open to that. We do have this partition wall here, but you come a few steps in, and then it is all open floor plan. We have tile flooring throughout the unit, so great for easy cleaning. Coat closet behind our front door. And then we do have a sliding back door to our backyard patio, which has a pond for the view. There is a storage closet off of the back patio as well, which is available for tenants. And here is our dining room. And then you can see our kitchen here. We have all appliances. Very nice, good sized pantry as well. And then here is that living room. Heading down the hallway now. Our first left is going to be bedroom number 1. This is the guest bedroom. Sits on the back side of the unit, so window outlooks the pond. Good sized closet in here as well. Heading back out now. At the end of the hallway here is our washer and dryer closet. So indoor laundry, very nice. Can't find that very often in Gulf Breeze in these older buildings. Here's the master. We do have a walk-in closet in this bedroom as well. And this doorway here goes to our water closet, but there is another entry to the bedroom, or excuse me, from the bathroom. So we're going back into our hallway, passing our laundry closet, and then here is our bathroom. And then we have a linen closet, and then here's our water closet. So nice, good size bathroom for this size unit. Coming back out now. We'll go back into the living room. Again, this is 1600 Greenbriar Parkway, Unit D, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.